Alright, so in this video we're gonna be downloading Rekordbox. So go to Google and type Rekordbox download for Windows. Then go to the official website. Reject all. So this is the official Rekordbox website. We go to the top. So we need to download the software. We press download, and now we have to agree with the terms and policy. So we just need to press agree. Okay, agree, and you press download again. It started to download, and now you wait. So now you wait. So once it's finished, you just open the file. So we have to extract it to the desktop. So we just press on the file and press extract to, and we can choose. I'm gonna choose the desktop. So we press OK and we wait, and now we go to the desktop. So now we can find the file on the desktop, and we press finish, and now you have your Rekordbox software on the laptop. And you wait a minute to open, and now you have your own Rekordbox software.